So for the first time, this is a larch tree. I will try out the Alaskan saw on this. It's the first time I'm trying the Alaskan saw, so let's see how it goes. So I will start by putting on end support as high as I can go. I think it's good. Yep. Then it's good to have it level. And then I do the same at the other end. If I know these two surfaces are level to each other, then the cut will be as flat as the support is straight. Yeah, it's actually fitting over it. It's good. So as I know these two are at the same level, that is, these two should be parallel. Oh, and now I have to set up the saw, so I will want to cut under that, and the saw will rest on this, so it will be 17 centimeters, and put it on 18, and I have so I made two spacers that are the correct height. So I should just, oh shit, okay. So actually you can't, should be, oh, I have, on that side I have 21, and here I have
21. So there, that's okay.
oh, yes. So now I think I'm ready to do the cut. Ready for the first cut. Let's see if I can get the saw to start. Oh, that was the first cut. Let's set up the next one. Okay, so I have two spacers for the boards. So I will lower this so it will go against these spacers. Oh, I lower them until they go full contact. So this is a very good idea, I see. If you have a spacer that you just can clamp down on, then the adjustment will be much easier. Definitely recommend that. If you have these spacers in the correct dimensions or height that you want, then this is easy to do. You will get, you can just let it fall down on them and you get the correct dimension. So I would actually recommend to get spacers for the sizes that you are cutting. So, okay. Good. See if we can do this cut in one cut in actual speed. Oh, let's start it. First board. My first board. This is my first board. It's hard to, when you get to the end, it can be hard to get a good top. I have moved around a bit. Yeah. But I think it looks really good. I think it looks good. First board. First own board for my own. So this is my first board. Cutting with my Alaskan chainsaw. And this is the top piece. I think I will be able to get one board out of that also. I just have to remove the supports in the end. Okay. So let's cut another board of this side. Oh. Two boards cut by myself from my own tree. Larch tree. It's soft, so it's very fast to cut through. Actually, it's very fast. Really pleased with this saw. Could actually do some real work with that. And I have a small, my chainsaw is a small Husqvarna. It's not a big saw. It's not a small saw either, but it's a ordinary saw. So, thank you so much for watching and see you the next time. Goodbye.